What's up, you guys? It's your girl Trapcolors, and I'm here with another video. And today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I maintain my deep wave wig. So first, we're just going to start by, all you want to do is just grab your Got2b and put it everywhere where the lace is lifting, because this will preserve your unit for a longer time instead of you having to take it all the way off and reinstalling it. Whenever you see anything lifting, just put Got2b on it. And yeah. So of course you can use an elastic band to hold it down, but I really like to use like a cloth or something like that, something that'll be not too much but like just enough. So you can use anything to hold it down though. You can literally use an elastic band, or you can use a bandana, or you can use anything of your choice. So once we put our bandana on, we're just going to wet the hair. We're going to drench it in some water just so it can get soft. Make sure you're putting oil on it. So you want to do that. You want to detangle one side and then do the other side. Just because deep wave hair can really get nappy. And the girls who know this hair gets really nappy. So you have to take care of it before you go to sleep, when you wake up. Yes, it's a lot, but it's worth the look, okay? It's definitely worth the look. So make sure you guys are taking care of your deep wave hair. So all we're going to do is go in with some twists, just section it off. It can be as big as you want it, or it can be as small as you want it. But it's totally up to you. And you want to just go ahead and start twisting it up. Just be. So once I'm done twisting everything up, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the bandana off and take some mousse or at least some alcohol and just brush my baby hairs out or at least comb them out so it can look presentable in the morning. So that's all I'm gonna do is just comb everything out. Anything that could be stuck up under the glue, stuck with the glue, just make everything look presentable. So once the edges are done to your liking, all you're going to do is just take a bandana and wrap it back up and then throw your bonnet on. And then once you do that, you're good for the morning. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is just unravel the twist, comb your little twist out, and you're good to go. And I bet you this is going to be the best deep wave hair you ever wore in a long time. Okay, and that's the end. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Bye.